Agile Software Development University Course Year 2 Project 2023. Introduction. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, Agile software development has emerged as a popular approach to address organization challenges in delivering high quality software products. Agile methodologies prioritize collaboration, adaptability, and interactive development to respond to changing requirements and effectively provide customer value. While Agile practices have gained traction in small organizations, their adoption in large organizations poses unique challenges due to complexity and the need to integrate new technologies with existing systems. This presentation explores the application of Agile software development in large organizations, highlighting the benefits, challenges, and critical considerations for successful implementations. Through empirical studies and practical insights, we will dive into the honors of Agile practice, branching strategies, and integrations of Agile principles in security incident response processes. The following are some articles that we will discuss in the presentations. Agile software development in large organizations. There is a need for more evidence that a new technology works in a specific context before the developers promote it and deploy it on a large scale. Although most organizations have similar needs, there is a need to see compelling evidence before adopting the new methods looms greater in large organizations because of their complexity and the need to integrate new technology and process the former ones. Agile software development functions. Identify the business drivers that lead to the evaluation of Agile methods. Ascertaining whether the main project reaches its goals. Articulating the lessons learned on incapabilities with the project environment. Determine their conclusion regarding future use of Agile methods. Agile software development process. A diagram showing the development process. As you see from development to review to delivery to feedback to set requirements to design back to development and to testing. It continues in a cycle. Empirical studies of Agile software development, a systematic review. The article highlights the impact of software development on the global industry and the increasing adoption of Agile methods such as extreme programming and Scrum. A survey from 2005 revealed that 14% of companies in the US and Europe were using Agile method, with 49% expressing interest in adopting them. These methods are seen as a response to traditional plan-based approaches, emphasizing a more flexible and interactive process for the software development. Agile software development. Agile software development is an approach that prioritizes quick and adaptive development, iterative cycle, and close collaboration with customers. It emphasizes organizing team and continuous design, improvement, test-driven development, and continuous integration. Agile methods rely more on face-to-face communication and tacit knowledge than comprehensive documentation. Ongoing research explore applying Agile methods to safety critical software. Integration US design with Agile development and leveraging lean principle to improve processes. These papers shed light on the challenges and advancements in Agile software development. Branching strategies for developing new context of continued delivery. Software development has different branching strategies such as centralized, feature-based, and release-based branching. Centralized branching involves a single branch for the entire code base, which can be complex and risky with a growing team. Feature-based branching creates separate branches for each feature or user's story, allowing for easier collaboration and parallel development. Release-based branching makes branches for each software release, facilitating bug fixes and maintenance while working on a new feature. The choice of branching strategy depends on team size, project complexity, and development methodology. Clear guideline, a robust vision, control system by Git, and collaboration tools are crucial for effective branching. Regular testing and continuous integration ensure code stability. Branching strategies like Guild Flow, GitHub Flow, GitLab Flow, truck-based development, and future branching offer various approaches to managing branches and merging changes. Rethinking security incident response. This is a diagram to show the function of Agile in the security system. You can see the diagram. Importance of incident management. You have prevention, you have mitigation, you have response, and you have recovery. In the side of prevention, you have analyze, trend, and predict. In the side of mitigation, you have triggers, you have notifications, you have coordinations. In the side of response, you have incident, assignment, and task. In the side of recovery, you have access and restore. The integration of Agile principle. This suggests integration, discipline Agile principle and practice into the security incident response process as a practical solution to strengthen an organization's security posture. It highlights a deficiencies in current approach and proposes interactive and incremental incident handling, reducing uncertainty and continuous attention to technical excellency to enhance response efficiencies. Future research should explore the business case for this integration through case study, survey, and assessment. Existing security incident response processes are criticized for being linear and lacking insight into incidental cause and the benefit of digital forensic. The paper advocates integrating discipline Agile principle to improve security incident response proficiencies. Development managers versus Scrum Masters. The development manager oversees tasks assigned to the development team, ensuring code architecture, quality, and deliverable. They collaborate with the team, set project objectives, and handle estimation processes. On the other hand, a Scrum Master is a project leader who follows Scrum principle to optimize team performance. They work with the product owner and other teams, oversee Agile program input and output, and facilitate Scrum ceremonies and events. The Scrum Masters collaborate with the development manager on estimations and fill technical knowledge gap as they may lack technical expertise. People factors in Agile development, the Agile software development and project management. The intended consequences of Agile adaptation in software organizations are mainly related to team size and people factors. Agile methods prioritize collaboration and adaptability over predictability and the process, but implementing Agile requires careful consideration of team size and the peoples involved. These studies seek to identify the potential negative consequences of Agile adaptation, particularly regarding team size and people factor that may be overlooked during implementation. A survey study of critical success factor in Agile software projects. The passage discussed the challenges of software development projects and the emergence of Agile methods as a solution. A survey study was conducted to identify critical success factors for Agile projects. The study compiled a list of 12 possible factors for quality, scope, time, and cost. Categories survey results from Agile professionals. Review the three critical success factors for Agile software capability. Agile methods prioritize individuals, working software, customers, collaboration, and adaptability. The study used a web survey to gather data from Agile Alliance members. Managers are advised to focus on team selection, Agile engineering techniques, and Agile style delivery for project success. Enabling Agile testing through continuous integration. Continuous integration (CI) is a software development practice that involves integrating code changes into a shared repository early in the development process to catch and resolve errors promptly. Developers commit code to shared repository which is automatically built and tested by a CI server. If the build or test fail, developers are notified to fix the issues. Once the code passes all tests, it is merged into the main repository branch. Agile development methodologies have become more popular in the software development community, but there is a lack of detailed reporting on how successful it is in traditional software development organizations. This article discusses an empirical study conducted at Microsoft to explore the usage, penetration, and success of Agile methodologies were widely used at Microsoft and were perceived as being successful in improving development speed, quality, and customer satisfaction. However, there were also challenges with implementing and scaling Agile practices, particularly in larger and more complex projects. Overall, the study suggests that Agile development can be successful in a so professional software development organization, but careful planning and management are required to ensure its effectiveness. Agile development methodologies. This diagram shows how Agile methodologies work. At the top, we have extreme programming, SP, we have Scrum, we have Crystal, we have future driven development, FDD, we have adaptive software development, ASD, we have learn software development, LSD. Thank you. This is the end of our presentation.